Welcome to Anakeesta. That's where we're going today in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Here we go. Let the adventures begin. Why are they throwing money down? Look at all that money. I don't know why. Somebody started that. That's money. Rubber bands or something, but hair bands. Look at that on the house. That's kind of funny. Look how pretty it is, the forest.
What if we see a bear? Hudson. Oh wait, that's not the get off point. It's one of them. Oh.
A lot of logs out there. Trees.
Yeah, I know, right? That's definitely really good, right?
Operator, what's up?
It's fantastic.
Oh, that's kind of weird. Kind of we got side to side deal. Bam, bam, bam.
If a bear could climb that ladder too, and get up there.
I think I read it. Yeah, I think that bears can climb.
Here we go. Trixie, get off.
Raise
Look
bar.
at this bucket. They spilled a bucket of flowers.
We're about to raise
The bucket of flowers has spilled. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Just the little bars. Flowers. And we're off. Welcome to Anakeesta.
Here's all the stuff we got.
Here's our map. Day and night at
They have a
Anakeesta.
splash pad.
Pause it if you want to, see where everything's at. And we're gonna pause. 3, 2, 1, pause. This beautiful truck here. Look at this. It's nice with the flowers. It's small little truck. Yeah, can we get a picture with you? Pretty. It's nice up here. It's not hot. It's hot, but it's not that hot. Just stops right at the bridge. Y'all see that 20-ounce Gatorade I just bought for $5? $5 for a 20-ounce Gatorade. But look, get that Gatorade. Look at this beautiful fire pit. Look at this. Nice chairs, umbrellas. It's nice up here. Look at that. Umbrellas, chairs. Wife sitting over there. If you ever come up here to Anakeesta, they got these misters with the fans. Look at it. You see it? Nice. Come all over. It's hot up here, but it ain't like scorching hot humidity Mississippi heat. It's pretty nice. Look at this beautiful view of the mountains. Look at that. The valley down there. Look at that valley. See the valley? You got the mountain ridge. I'm going to do my fingers out of the way. It's beautiful. Look at those clouds. Look at those mountains back there. Smoky Mountains. Let's do a zoom in real quick. Look at that. You got to see it to believe it. Seeing it on film, a little different than seeing it live. It's gorgeous up here. It's beautiful. Beautiful. You see that? That's those misters. Probably all over the camera now. Oh, that feels good. So good. Just don't understand. It's so good. Here you go. Here's some snack. They got plenty of food up here. You got the snack shack. You got the Tennessee cider. Snack shack. Tennessee cider. There you go. Oh, so sorry. Tennessee sidecar. I apologize. Margaritas. Okay, beer and margaritas. I said sidecar. It's a sidecar. Tennessee sidecar. Sorry. We're going to eat our lunch. Have a little covered pavilion. It's nice, warm. It is hot, but hey, it's not very hot. Look at this. open, you're at view. You got gorgeous view. Oh, you can't beat the beach would be good. But that's a beautiful view. If you love the mountains, you'll love this place. Anakeesta, Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Little place for you to sit down and eat. Enjoy the view. That view. So beautiful, those little tents, I guess you call it. Shaded area. It's nice. Look at the view of the beautiful mountains. There you go. Look at these beautiful flowers. Oh, that wind's blowing up here. Look at that fan blowing on me with the mister. Feels good. Oh, that feels so good. That fan on behind me, that's what you hear. Yeah, blowing that mist of water. It's beautiful up here. It's gorgeous. Who was Forrest Gephardt? Well, if you want to read it, pause this video to read the whole story there. I'm not going to read it all to you. You ready? Well, 3, 2, 1, pause it. Beautiful, look at that. Want to get wet, still cool off, there you go. We're going to merchandise, get some merch. Merchandise. This rock candy crush, you see these everywhere, all over Gatlinburg, Beach Forge. Squashmallows. Over there, hats. Cool hats. Anakeesta t-shirts, tank tops, hats. Pretty cool. While they sell squashmallows, I think they're about popular now. I think I'm gonna get one of these. Get one of these. We have another restaurant called the Tap House. Good brews, good views. That's what I'm talking about, views. Look at this view. We're gonna come out and look at this view. Look at this view with me. Gorgeous view. Look at that. Gatlinburg. You'll never get to see anything like this anywhere on Anakeesta. Here they have the Ridge Rambler. If you don't want to ride lifts up, you can ride truck down. See it? Ridge Rambler. You're scared of heights, don't want to do it, you ride it in the truck. A little bus, whatever. Here we have Vista Gardens. Vista Gardens. Look at that person hanging out over there. Look at that. Hey. Anakeesta colors. Look at that. They're like paint. Look at them. They feel like flowers are running. The red. Blossom tone, bright pink, purple.
Purple.
Get the red. It's like the red flowers are coming out. Color red. Anakeesta Mining Company. Look at this. Okay, here's the other side of that mining company. It is a mining. You do your own gem mining. Look. Put your hand up, sitting with your hands. You got real gems. Yeah, they have a little Treehouse Adventures. Even the little ones can walk. Slippery run wet. Slippery little walk. Little Treehouse Adventures. Oh, pretty cool. Got a little rope walk. Got little guns for little kids. I'm not going to be able to go in there. It's for kids. Great. Got a little view down here. Hear that beautiful ambient music, calming. I bought these hats. It says Anakeesta. I needed a hat. I didn't want a regular hat. I want something different. It's $30. Can't remember that name. Bought me and my wife one, so we both got one. Yay! Yes, we got something from Anakeesta. Yes. Also have the Astra Lumina, which is something you do a walkthrough with lights, northern lights thing. It's pretty cool, but we're not gonna do it because we're not gonna stay here that late. It's late at night when it gets dark. But we're gonna check it out next time. It's bouncy, bouncy. See it bounce around? Whoa. No jumping. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, we're gonna. Whoa, whoa, whoa. How beautiful it is. This thing's pretty long. It's fun. It's fun for the family. It bounces around. That's me bouncing all over this thing. Will and Dawn from Yankee in the South. Love this bridge because Dawn shakes it up when she's on it with him. He's scared to death of it. Will and Dawn, Yankee in the South. Go watch their videos. They have very good videos. Interesting adventures. Check them out. I want to ride the skylift up here. Here comes a. Here you go take the ride up the mountain in the truck. Look at that. See it? Take a ride in the mountain. Up in the mountains. Here you go. Here's your trees of Anakeesta. If you want to pause it and read, get your different trees. I'll let you pause it. Pause it right now. 3, 2, 1. Pause. Here we go. I'm not filming the whole suspension bridge. Just some of it. My wife here in front of me. Look at her go. Go, baby, go. Look at her go. She's having fun. There's little Andrew.
I just went because I didn't know you were going to come.
You take a break halfway through here if you want to. You stop, take a break. You got benches.
Your mother was on her phone. Ew.
Where's a snake? We got a snake.
Little baby deer.
You can take a break if you want to. Clean a room. Feels good up here, shaded. Oh, it's cool up here. Here's you something to read. The Mystery of the Smoky Mountains. You can pause it, read it. Great information about how the Smokies got their smoke. 3, 2, 1. Look at these awesome coffee mugs. It's the map. It's Anakeesta. Gatlinburg is the map of the Smoky Mountains inside.
You need to charge your phone?
How cool is that? The shot glasses. Shot glasses the same way. It's hard to see a little map of the Smoky Mountains. It's cool.